iconic the songs that has been written. And guys, if you know this song, come sing along with us, okay? Okay? Okay ba tayo? Okay! Let's enjoy the night, guys. Let's go!
Ayoko na.
Ayaw na, guys. Anyways, thank you so much sa mga pumunta para i-support ang Dixie and also the other groups as well. Ang masasabi lang talaga namin, #BePopRide! Hannah, do you have anything else to say, Hannah, before we go? Do you have anything else to say? Yes. Happy. Wala naman birthday. Wala naman birthday. Joke lang. Well, I wanted to say thank you again for coming here, and then I also wanted to say thank you to the members. Yes, and sabi po nila P-pop stage. Guys, yeah, we also wanted to say thank you to P-pop stage for inviting us here, and of course, we are very honored because it's our first time to perform as P-pop stage. Yeah, so yun po, thank you. We really enjoyed the experience, guys. So, ayun, sana mas dumami pa ang mga nandito na sumusupport for OPM and P-pop. So, Nicole?
Ayan, thank you so much po, and make sure to follow us on our social media platforms at Dixie Official TV. Thank you po!
And once again, it's... wait lang, may sasabihin pa si Hannah. Si Jane. Go, Jane. It's your time to shine, Jane.
Please, stream Ice Coffee po sa lahat ng aming social media platform. Nahihiya man ako.
Stream iced coffee, yun po yung pinakasinabi niya.